caught in a heavy downpour where your umbrella could only do so much to save you. You get indoors, but you are drenched from the knees down, shivering because water splashed the inside of your shoes too. Today's video will discuss how you cure cold and flu. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Not a good feeling, and it certainly doesn't feel warm and cozy to have wet feet. But there's a home remedy that's been getting high marks for years, with wet socks being the hero. Cold, wet socks. We know it sounds counterintuitive, even crazy, but doctors at Bastyr University have put it to the test. It's claimed to be a remedy for the flu, colds, and other respiratory illnesses. According to Bastyr's Natural Health Center, it is called a heat compress and works by stimulating the body's immune response. Cold, wet socks are worn overnight while the body generates internal heat to the warm-up, which in turn activates increased circulation. As the body heats up, the idea is that the immune system will be fired up to start fighting infections. People who have tried the treatment report better sleep and less head and chest congestions in the morning. They also note that by the time they wake up, their feet are dry. So how is it done? Well, this instruction must be followed to the letter, and doctors at Bastyr cautions that those with chronic conditions or severe health problems should refrain from it. They also pointed out that this treatment was used in conjunction with other flu, cold fighting remedies. Do this at bedtime. Material: 1 pair thin socks, 1 pair thick wool socks, warm pajamas, large basin for your feet filled with ice water. Instruction: Number 1. Soak your socks. Place the thin pair of socks into the ice water until soaked. Number 2. Bathe in warmth. Take a warm shower or bath to warm up the body, especially the feet. Number 3. Dry and wring. Dry up completely. Wring out the cold socks and replace them on your feet. Number 4. Double up and cover up. Put the dry wool socks on over the cold ones. Get dressed in your pajamas and go to bed under the covers. Should you become uncomfortably sweaty during the night, it's okay to change pajamas but not your socks. The magic lies in the heat. It will get your body to keep the blood and lymphatic system pumping, reducing toxins and clearing some of illnesses out through sweat. What's also amazing is that your feet should be dry once you wake up. If you want to try this better, talk urge that you combine it with other home remedies like soup, vitamins, garlic, fluid, and rest. For this to be effective, you will also need to stay covered up and not walk around or be propped up in a chair. Remember to visit a physician if your condition doesn't improve or is too serious to merit natural remedies. Would you try this for the flu or a cold? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.